Hello everyone, this is to show you how to fix your air fryer if the power is not going on. If it won't work, you turn it on, the power won't go on, nothing happen, nothing's happening. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First thing you do, you take out this air fryer, put it aside. First you unplug power. You don't want any power where you doing whatever you want to do on this unit. You turn it upside down. In this case, this air fryer has a switch right here. There's a switch underneath this bottom cover. There's a switch in there, and what the switch looks like is this. It's a 2-pole switch. This one, this is the defective one. As you can see, it has some residue on it. I'll set this air fryer to the side, and I'm gonna show you the new one that I ordered. The new one looks like this. You can see it's brand new. And I'm gonna do a test on it just to show you, to tell you why the air fryer is not working. I'm gonna switch my multimeter. You can buy a cheap one, doesn't matter. I'm gonna switch it to continuity. And this switch, if I put this here, you can hear that's continuity when I touch the 2 clamps. When I put it in here, if I press this, which activates the unit, it's still working, but it's just overrating. This is the new one. See? So that's a test for the old switch. You have 5 screws here. First, you gotta open up this part of the bottom of the air fryer that has the power cable connected. Then you have 5 screws on this one. I don't know what type of air fryer you have, but you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You take the screw off. This switch right here is gonna be right here. So that's what happens with the air fryer. You go up here, because I tested everything. I opened the top of it. I took this out. This is held to the air fryer with these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you take this off, this comes off. But there's a connector that connects the control board. So this is what covers this to complete the look of the air fryer. So this, I just put my I put my flathead screw in here, push it out, and start wiggling it out one at a time. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors. It goes in here. So now that I've changed the switch, the air fryer the pan has this. This is what activates the switch when you wanna cook. So I'm gonna plug my air fryer back in. And we're gonna test if it's working or not. And there you go. It's back. It's back. It's working. I can turn it on. I can turn it off. So what I would say is, don't throw your air fryer out. you know, if you are a little bit handy, you can do this. All you need to do is look at where the switch is, where this opening is. It could be at the top, it could be at the side, depending on the model or the, you know, manufacturer of the air fryer. And for this, it's just the Power Air Fryer XL. And they have another one that is the Power Air Fryer, but it's not the XL. So I think it's gonna be the same kind of setup. So if you like this video, if it's helped you in any way, give us a thumbs up button. Thank you, and looking forward to sharing more videos with you.